Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Cadillac Seville. Cadillac has reintroduced one of its most iconic nameplates with the unveiling of the 2026 Cadillac Seville. Blending timeless elegance with modern innovation, the all-new Seville is set to redefine the luxury sedan market, bringing unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and a striking design that pays homage to its storied past. Design, a masterpiece of elegance and boldness. The 2026 Seville captures the essence of Cadillac's heritage while embracing contemporary design. Sophisticated silhouette, a sleek, elongated profile with sculpted lines exudes refinement and dynamic energy. Signature lighting, vertical LED headlamps and a dramatic light bar in the rear create a futuristic aesthetic. Bespoke finishes, exclusive paint options like pearl white frost and obsidian black metallic elevate its premium appeal. Diamond-cut wheels, 20-inch and 22-inch alloy options, featuring intricate designs that complement the car's luxurious stance. Interior, crafted for luxury and innovation. Inside the Seville, Cadillac has created an oasis of comfort and sophistication. Premium materials, hand-stitched leather upholstery, open-pore wood trim, and aluminum accents set a luxurious tone. Advanced displays, a 33-inch curved OLED display spans the dashboard, combining driver information and infotainment. Personalized comfort, ventilated massaging seats, a customizable ambient lighting system, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the experience. Ultra-quiet technology, Cadillac's next-gen noise cancellation system ensures a serene cabin even at highway speeds. Performance, power meets efficiency. The 2026 Cadillac Seville offers a range of powerful and efficient powertrains to suit every driver. Standard V6 engine. A refined 3.6 LV6 produces 335 horsepower for smooth and effortless performance. Hybrid variant. A plug-in hybrid option delivers 400 horsepower and an electric-only range of up to 45 miles. All-wheel drive. Available AWD ensures confidence and control in all conditions. Adaptive suspension. Cadillac's magnetic ride control provides a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. Technology. Cadillac's cutting-edge innovation. The Seville is packed with features designed to elevate the driving experience. Super Cruise 2.0. Cadillac's industry-leading hands-free driving system is now more intuitive and compatible with more roads than ever. Augmented reality navigation. A high-tech system overlays directions and information onto the windshield for seamless guidance. Enhanced safety suite includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Bespoke audio. A custom-tuned AKG 22 speaker sound system delivers concert-quality audio. Sustainability. A modern commitment. Eco-friendly options. The plug-in hybrid variant reflects Cadillac's push toward electrification without sacrificing luxury or performance. Sustainable materials. Recycled and responsibly sourced materials feature prominently in the cabin. Pricing and availability. Starting price. The 2026 Seville is expected to start at $55,000, with premium trims reaching $80,000. Release date. Available at Cadillac dealerships in early 2026, with pre-orders opening in late 2025. Conclusion. The 2026 Cadillac Seville is a true renaissance of luxury sedans, combining Cadillac's legacy of sophistication with forward-thinking technology and performance. It's not just a car, it's an experience that sets new standards for elegance and innovation.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.